I am a secondary school English teacher in an East London comprehensive school, and today I'm delivering a session on the role of spelling and literacy in English teaching and in primary teaching. I've attended many PTI training sessions myself and always found them to be extremely meaningful, helpful opportunities to develop my own practice. And so the opportunity to actually deliver a session myself was I was very proud to say yes to do it, and I'm enjoying it so far. There needs to be more of a conversation between primary and secondary teachers, full stop. I think that it's in the interest of the students that we view the things in a more joined up way, and that's not something that I think the ITT or DFE training necessarily provides for. And so I think that any opportunity for primary teachers and secondary teachers to kind of work with each other is always meaningful and ultimately to the benefit of any students that they teach.
It was interesting. We heard one of the speakers gave us different examples of how to teach spelling in a different way that I hadn't been shown before. So I'm definitely going to take that with me and use that in my classroom. And it was really interesting to hear the etymology side of things, where words come from and how that can be a real benefit to actually teach the children, because it helps them to remember the spellings as well. So interesting as a teacher and a student, I think.
As phonics and reading lead, obviously spelling, writing, reading, all of that is very important to me, and it's nice to see how the speakers are backing up or challenging what we do at school. All of the days I've been on, this is the third training day I've been on, have covered the full range and actually make it valuable for everybody, because we can, as primary practitioners, see where their journey is, and all of us have children that are SEND, so there's always elements of that as well and how it can be adapted.
Being a small group, it's really lovely because you're really involved in all the talk. We're engaging, conversation with each other, discussing things, taking little side steps away from the training and actually going down some discussion routes with each other. And it's just really useful just to meet with colleagues and just to, really dig into some of the really important issues. And I think actually it probably wouldn't have been something I would have thought would be useful, but actually to have that whole spectrum of understanding across the full range of the education spectrum has actually been really, really interesting.